Let's explore further into the world of knots with the knot of the week. This week, we're going to have a look at the figure eight loop. The video you're watching is a small part of the curriculum at Knotskool. I hope you enjoy it. The figure eight loop is in the category of knots known as loop knots. Loop knots are knots which create a fixed loop in a rope. The figure eight loop is a reliable and strong loop knot. It's widely used for creating secure, non-slip loops at the end of a rope. Its strength and relative ease of tying have made it a favored choice in various applications, particularly those involving safety. The figure eight loop is also sometimes referred to as the figure of eight loop or a Flemish loop. Structurally, the figure eight loop is a variation of the figure eight knot, creating a loop by tying the figure eight on a doubled rope or a bight. To tie a figure eight loop, double the rope to form a bight, then tie a standard figure eight knot using the doubled rope. Dress and tighten the knot, ensuring the loop is of the desired size. The figure eight loop finds use in applications where a strong, reliable loop is needed, such as in climbing, rescue operations, and rigging. It's also found in marine applications, in camping, and for home and garden applications. It's a favored knot for creating secure anchor points or tying into a harness. The figure eight loop performs well with various rope materials, including both natural and synthetic fibers. Its double-stranded structure enhances its strength and reliability. However, care must be taken to tie and dress the knot correctly, especially with slippery synthetic ropes. The primary risk associated with the figure eight loop is its potential to fail if not tied correctly. It's essential to ensure that the knot is properly dressed and tightened. While it's generally considered a highly reliable loop, improper tying can lead to slippage or failure. Also, it can be difficult to untie after being heavily loaded. You can find the figure eight loop in the Ashley Book of Knots as knot number 1047 on page 190.